The SSG, Sprite Sheet Generator, is finally released. You can download it for free at Buy Me a Coffee Girl with CG. You can donate to me for support, even if it's just a small amount. Then click on Add to Cart. This will take you to this window. Enter your name and email, then click Pay. Then you will reach the thank you page, and you can download the file. Go to Blender. Go to the Edit menu and select Preferences. Go to the Add-on menu and select Install from Disk. Navigate to the zip file we just downloaded. Click Install from Disk. You will find the Sprite Sheet Generator. The add-on is on the right side. If you don't see this menu, press N and look for Sprite Sheet. Let's look at how to use it. First, we need an animation that we want to turn into a sprite sheet. Do the compositing. Try rendering a frame to check that everything is correct. I recommend that the resolution size should not be too large for 2D game projects. If everything is ready, let's go make the sprite sheet. Sprite Sheet Generator has two modes. The first mode, Render Scene, will render the entire scene into a sprite sheet. You can set the column size. We'll use 8 for now. Then go to the output file and set the file name. When ready, press Generate Sprite Sheet and wait a moment. The generation time will depend on the resolution size and the number of frame. Done. Let's look at the result. We got a sprite sheet with 8 columns, just as we wanted. Now let's try 6 columns. And I need to name the new file for comparison. Done. 6 columns. Alright, now let's look at the other mode, Image Sequence. For this mode, we need an image sequence first, by setting the render output to PNG. Render Animation Image Sequence. Select the input folder. Name the sprite sheet. Let's check out the advanced settings. Inside, we can crop the image in each frame. There are also X and Y offsets as the starting point for cropping, referenced from the top left corner of the image. The result of the cropping. Let's set the values again to fit the character perfectly. You can see that the sprite sheet size is reduced, which is suitable for optimization. Before going, there's a Buy Me a Coffee button here too. Feel free to support me there. See you.